Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So today I want to show you how to fix the freeze is not cooling properly. It's cooling upstairs but the downstairs cooling is totally not working. So I take some research through online and different YouTube video. I figured it out why freeze is not cooling. Usually if this condenser coil is dirty, poor ventilation, unorganized storage, dirty or faulty gasket or cells, malfunctioning internal parts, etc. Taking out this internal parts and have a look on it why fan is not running. Be careful about this harness. This harness terminal ball or clip is holded on the refrigerator. Make sure nothing is damaged. This compressor coil, cooling coil and the fan, all those things. And I measure this voltage supply 12 volt AC is there. So in that case this fan is faulty, that's why fan is not running. So I ordered a new fan to the Amazon. It cost me around $25. Sometimes there is a loose conductor, this cable is fault or internal circuit is fault, that's why the voltage is not coming, but this voltage is okay. I getting 12 volt supply. This part is come next day from the Amazon. I open it up and see the part is right size, and as per this specification, the existing fan is the same. I try to struggle to open it by one hand because I holding the mobile in another hand and open it. There is some securely packaged from the Amazon so it's not get damaged when shipping and handling. Yeah, I can see this absolutely is the right parts in the physical condition and the size. Now time to replace this faulty fan. But when gonna replace this fan, I figured it out. This coil terminal, this one is very important. If you put in a wrong terminal, say for example the orange and the blue wire, then fan may be turned in a reverse way. So I have to make sure I put the coil terminal in right. So that's why I didn't disconnect the old fan. I keep it connected, just dismantle this old fan first. Then I take this new fan motor with the same terminal. I disconnect one terminal. I want to make sure this polarity, everything is right. I take one terminal first and put it over there, then take it out the another terminal and put it over there, and make sure this grounding wire is holding on the same position. Now I'm going to screw it together in the same position. And fan, now I need to test this fan is running or not. I power it on and have to make sure this drain is clean and fan in a right position. Nothing is touching with this fan and the physical part. Now I assemble and put all this part all together. And don't tight too much this screw because it's very thin plastic. Now I make sure everything is running, fan is running, the cooling air is circulating top chamber and the bottom chamber as well. So thank you guys, thanks for your time and watching my video. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for future video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.